I bought a coffee today. I poured it myself. The screen turned around and asked me for 25%.
And you tapped it.
The barista was right there, watching.
Then the screen did exactly what it was designed to do.
Designed? It's just a payment terminal.
It's a negotiation, and it's built so that the least awkward thing you can do is pay more.
How did we even get here? Tipping used to be for waiters.
It used to be for nobody. Tipping isn't American. It came from European aristocrats handing coins to servants, and when it arrived here, Americans hated it.
Hated it how?
There were anti-tipping leagues. Newspapers called it un-American, a bribe, a way to turn free citizens into servants. 6 states passed laws banning it outright.
Wait, tipping was actually illegal?
Briefly and unenforceably. The laws collapsed within a decade. But notice what that tells you. The country's instinct was that paying staff should be the employer's job.
So what changed?
After emancipation, industries hiring newly freed workers found tipping very convenient. Railroads and restaurants could hire people at almost no wage and let customers cover the rest.
The customer paid the salary.
The customer paid the salary. That's the origin of the system you're arguing with at the coffee counter.
And nobody fixed it?
The opposite. In 1938, when America wrote its minimum wage law, tipped workers were carved out of it. The exception was written into the foundation.
Okay, but that's ancient history. Minimum wage applies to everyone now, surely.
The federal minimum for a tipped worker is $2.13 an hour.
$2? That can't be a real number.
It's been that number since 1991, longer than some of your viewers have been alive.
How is that even legal?
Because of a rule called the tip credit. The employer pays $2.13, tips are supposed to make up the difference, and if they don't, the employer must top you up to the regular minimum.
Oh, so there's a floor.
There's a floor. It's $7.25 an hour, and it hasn't moved since 2009.
That's the safety net. $7?
That's the safety net, which is why a slow Tuesday isn't an inconvenience for a server, it's a pay cut. Your tip isn't a bonus for good service, it's payroll.
Then why does the tip amount keep climbing? 15 used to be normal. Now the screen starts at 22.
Because the number on the screen is not a fact, it's a suggestion, and whoever writes the software chooses it.
And they choose high.
They choose high, they put it in the middle so it looks moderate, and they make the low option small and gray and slightly harder to find.
That's the same trick as pricing.
It's the same family. Anchoring. Show a big number first, and every smaller number feels stingy, even when the smaller number was normal 2 years ago.
But there's something worse about the tablet than a menu.
There is. A menu doesn't watch you. The tablet spins around while a human being stands 18 inches away. You're not choosing a tip, you're performing generosity in front of a witness.
That's why I always tap the middle one.
Everyone taps the middle one, that's what the middle one is for.
Fine. But at least it rewards good service, right? That's the whole point of tipping.
That's the story. Researchers have tested it for decades. How good the service was explains only a tiny slice of how much people tip.
Then what explains the rest?
Whether the server touched your shoulder, whether they drew a smiley face on the check, whether they're attractive, whether you're being watched.
So it measures the performance, not the food.
It measures how you feel in that moment, which is a wonderful thing to build a payroll system on if you're the one not paying it.
Is anywhere doing this differently?
7 states already ban the tip credit. California, Oregon, Washington, Nevada, Alaska, Montana, Minnesota. Servers there get full minimum wage, and tips sit on top.
And the restaurants all closed, obviously.
They did not. Prices are somewhat higher, staff turnover is lower, and the industry is perfectly alive. Half of Europe runs the same way, and nobody there argues with a tablet.
So what do I actually do? I'm not going to punish a server for a system they didn't build.
Correct. And that's the trap. Every argument about tipping ends with the worker in the crossfire. So separate the two things.
Meaning?
Tip properly where tips are wages. Sit-down restaurants, bars, delivery, anyone whose paycheck depends on you. That's not charity, that's the bill.
And the coffee screen?
Counter service where someone hands you a pastry is not a wage system, it's a prompt. Custom whatever you think it's worth, 0. All valid. The awkwardness you feel is the product. It was engineered.
3 seconds of discomfort.
3 seconds of discomfort deliberately placed between you and your wallet. Once you can see it, it stops working on you.